dream of a digital India where cyber security becomes an internal part of our national security. Cyber crimes has to be maintained and cyber security has to be checked. Salutations to the members of the jury. I am Anishaina Vijay studying in class 9th of Vijay Vittala Vidyashala. My friend Dheeraj Ravel, Karthik Vibad. We are presenting to you the topic Milestones of Blockchain for Superior India. Yes, we have an improvisation methodology to keep us and India safe. Do you think our personal details and data are secure enough and they can't be hacked or hampered? Of course not. We are coming up with a simple but yet brilliant solution using blockchain technology to resolve this problem. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is a way of storing and securing data that makes it impossible to cheat, tamper or hack. Blockchain is a digital ever-growing list of data records. How does blockchain work? Blockchain consists of a series of information which are stored in blocks. These blocks contain information in three forms. First, there is the data. The data is the information stored in the block. Next, there is the hash. The hash is a string of characters that identifies a block. And next, there is a previous hash. A previous hash is the hash of the previous block, which enables us to connect two blocks. This is how blockchain works. So what makes this blockchain technology so secure and so special? Well, let's consider three blocks. When a block is created, the hash is also calculated. When a person tries to tamper with the hack or tampers or hacks with the block, the hash changes. This makes the block and the previous hash to mismatch. So we can identify the crime easily and this makes blockchain very secure. Now my friend Dheeraj Ravel will introduce you to some applications of blockchain.
Thank you, Anishaina. Now I am going to tell you about food traceability. Food traceability is the ability to follow the movement of the food ingredient, all the parts of the cycle, both backward and forward. I am going to take an example of coffee beans. Suppose you are drinking a cup of coffee in a cafe but you are not sure what was added to the coffee. Where were these coffee beans produced? To overcome this, blockchain technology could be used. You can track the journey of the coffee beans from Brazil, Indonesia or India. First, the farmer plants the seeds. After the growth of the plants, he plucks it off and records all the details, including the fertilizers used and the type of the beans and many more. These are updated to the blockchain. Next, the coffee beans are stored in a warehouse. The person who transported it, how many days it took, will all be uploaded to the blockchain. After that, coffee beans go to the factory where further processing are made. Then the coffee beans goes to the cafe where they are crushed and roasted. Finally, coffee is made available in residential areas. Blockchain technology could also be used to record votes and prevent many types of voter frauds in elections. Officials can easily count the votes, knowing that each ID could be attributed to only one vote and no fakes can be created and tampering and hacking is impossible. Now my friend Karthik is going to tell you about cyber crime and carbon market.
Thank you, Dheeraj. Every single thing we do in the present time leaves a carbon footprint. Huge industries produce tons of carbon and carbon producing products. To overcome this problem, we can use carbon market or carbon trading. Carbon market is a market in which we trade carbon market allowances. Government sets a price for carbon market. Businesses subsequently have to pay for the amount of carbon they emit. If a company produces more carbon, they can even buy the allowances from low carbon emitting corporations. When blockchain is applied to a carbon company, the consumption and the production of carbon emissions will be stored and updated in the database. This helps in the combination of blockchain and carbon market makes the nature more healthier. Nowadays, usage of AI for smart homes have drastically increased. A report says that 98% of the IoT, Internet of Things, are unencrypted. Blockchain can also be used in IoT by digital signatures and data encryption. These things make smart doorbells, security cameras and other vulnerable edge devices more secure. Blockchain can also be used in prevention of DDoS attack. What is a DDoS attack? Regarding that, there is a video. Let's see that video.
And today I'm going to give you the basics of a DDoS attack. A DDoS attack is an attempt by an attacker to create so much traffic or congestion to a target application or an internet application that it impedes the traffic flow for normal visitors.
And in 2016, a large portion of the internet went down because of DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks, also known as distributed denial of service, can be prevented by blockchain. Till now we have seen how the blockchain works, its application in food traceability, carbon market, in voting also. After hearing all this, many may think to apply this. But we need one who can build this. We need one who can apply this. Most of the students, engineers are not able to understand what a blockchain is, how all these things works. As a citizen, it's our duty to educate our youth what all these things are, how the future is going to be. The blockchain is going to be revolutionary as the internet we all know. Thank you.